Let's first adjust the robot to the maximum angle. When he showed up to call the police, let's adjust it in the back direction until the alarm is cancelled. We set a safe point at this point. Then drag the gun body to our first point. We set a starting point. We move to a 45-degree angle. At this point, we press the first point, where C is the arc. Then drag it to a 90-degree angle. Press C again. This is the second point of the arc. Repeat this until the arc is 360 degrees complete. Then click to raise the gun. Set a safety point. Position the gun again. It's a safe spot. So his movements are all made up. So we're going to demonstrate.